Kaning mga kwan, oh. Oh. Ayaw lagi, ayaw. Pugay, ginuko. Ay, naku. Oh, matumba ko. Mom. Sako. Ito, mga animal, oh. Mga palamunin yan, ha. Mga palamunin yan. Hi, Uso. Hi, baby boy. Go far. Back.
You know you have food for him now.
Yeah, I know. He used to already. Oh, okay. Hold on.
Okay. Who's that? You have to say who's that. That's
What?
Awesome.
This is my friend. My friend also. Wawa also.
Somebody left him outside.
Slowly also. Okay. Don't bite mama, ha? Next time, I'm not gonna feed you anymore, ha? Don't be like that.
No, swallow. Wala na. Also, no more.
No more. See you tonight. If I have leftover food, I'm gonna give it to you.
Wait,
Trabaho na sad. Para pang
English.
Pangbugas. Sus, ngano mag-English man kong yates. Tingnan mo, oh, mga basura. Pero wa pa na ako na ipalabay kay ako pa nang sort. Kay basing na yung mga gwapo. Uso. Mo ni magtrabaho na pod. Kayod, pamugas. You didn't close my door last night? Car?
Send me to get the fries. Yeah, I didn't like it because I'm waiting for you to like it with that.
Ulo. Mo aning kinabuhi sa Amerika. Kayod. Kay walay kwarta. Kay mga aspo manggod ba aspo. Anak sa pobreng oten. Kaya kayod na lang ta kay kuan man kanang mayo man ang natay kaugalingong kwarta nato ba.
Okay. Why you were live?
Yeah, ano